This is the department where all smart vehicles are built. The series includes semi-low loaders, drawbar trailers and mega trailers, available with up to 4 axles and a fixed or extendable load floor. These trailers are produced in large numbers. The Smart Haul has 2 production lines, one for self-tracking vehicles and one for vehicles with hydraulic steering. The production takes place at several stations, where all the assembly work is completed. Currently, the assembly capacity is 15 trailers a week.